boys and girls. Welcome to Writers Workshop Day 3 for my fish writers. Today we are going to work on writing our opinion topic sentence and our picture. There are a few materials that you're going to need, so let's look and see what those are. You're going to need your iPad set to 15 minutes on the timer, a pencil, crayons, this writing paper, and you need to have already listened to both of these stories. The pigeon finds a hot dog and the duckling gets a cookie. If you do not have all of those materials or have not listened to both of those stories, pause the video now and go and get them. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. The first thing I want you to do is set your timer for 15 minutes. Pause this video while you set your timer for 15 minutes and start it. Great job. All right, let's review what an opinion is since we are writing our opinion topic sentence. An opinion is how you think or feel about something. So it's when someone wants to know your opinion, as I've told you before, they might say, "Hey, which type of pizza is the best?" Like this little girl's asking. And I might say, "I think that pepperoni and mushroom pizza is the best." Everyone's opinion can be different. It's okay if you don't have the same opinion as someone else. We need to respect different opinions. So let's look at our paper. The question at the top is, what was your favorite book? So the two books that we're talking about that you can select from are The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog or The Duckling Gets a Cookie. So think for a minute, which one of those books was your favorite? Now, before you write anything, let's review our opinion starters. You could start your sentence, and I really want to see you starting your sentences with one of these. My favorite, I believe, in my opinion, I think, I feel, or I prefer. Now, for my opinion starter, I'm going to pick my favorite. So I'm going to start writing that on my paper. Let's see, I'm going to write my favorite. And then I'm going to say, because it's asking me what my favorite book is, so I want my reader to know what I'm talking about. My favorite book was. Now I'm going to stop right here because I'm not going to share with you yet what my favorite book was. I want you to choose which one was your favorite book. Was it The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog or The Duckling Gets a Cookie? Go ahead and pause your the video, and finish writing your opinion topic sentence. Great job, boys and girls. I bet you did an incredible opinion statement. Now, remember, the two books we had to pick from was The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog and The Duckling Gets a Cookie. So now you're going to draw a picture of the book that you chose as your favorite up in this area up here for the illustration. Add some details and take your time coloring it. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that now. Your pictures are looking really nice. Great job on adding detail and taking your time while you color. Boys and girls, it's time for us to stop for today. We're all done with day 3 of our writing. So you're going to put your writing paper in your work folder or wherever your teacher has you keep your writing. See you tomorrow.